Hey everyone, Neo here for another video for you. I'm back on my main series right now, which is Survival Island, and I have some big news, and I'll show you some off-screen work that I've been doing. Yeah, first of all I'm going to show you the off-screen work I did. As you can see, I flattened out this area over here. Whoop, lag. Then I'm going to change some modifications. Okay, so basically the house was tiny, so I improved it and added some space, added second furnace, and I smelted the iron that we found. What's my music at? 1 second. Is my music up? Yeah. Now I'll show you the big news that I have. Yo. Okay, so basically, I found there's not just a wolf on this island. There is a pig. Now I think he spawned, which gives me hope that other mobs will spawn. So and there's also another mob, friendly mob of course. Yeah, there's a chicken. What I do with that, I don't know. I can't cook it. So yeah, I'm gonna plant some saplings down. How many do I have? Oh yeah, I found another apple off screen. I think 2 apples, I'm not sure. Okay. Plant some saplings. Oops, just one. Plant one over here. Do you guys like the design of the house? I'm I don't like it how it goes from oak straight to birch. I might add second floor to it. I don't know what you guys want. Yeah, and I flattened this out so this is all hollowed, as you can see. It's nice and hollow, so we can have an underground area here. Oh, that might be a good area. Do I have a spare door? Yes, I do have a spare door. Let's put this here. So I literally just improved the area in general, making it look nice. I need to start a farm soon. So where are my seeds that I collected? Where are they? Oh, lag. I mean, it is laggy, but I mean, seeds. 4 seeds. That will be enough to start a farm. I think we should do an inside farm so they don't get everywhere. I think that's a good idea. Okay. Let's make a cobblestone or stone hoe. Hoes are fun to play with. Let's make a few more torches. I think 2 will be enough to keep a farm going. Oh, there's that. 1, 2, 3. Put that there. Let's go inside here. This is where our farm's gonna be, I think. Okay. Ugh. Torch 1. Torch 2. Torch 3. Torch 4. Torch 5. Torch 6. Torch 7. Torch 8. Torch 9. I think that's enough. Let's just put down. Start our farm with 4 seeds. I think that'll work. Yeah, I think that's going to work well. And so now I know that mobs spawn. Once I get a few mobs. Sorry, message just went off. Yeah, once I get a few mobs, I'm gonna start an actual farm over probably in the same area, just underground a bit more. I think for now I'm gonna flatten. I don't know if you guys like the design of the house. Do you like it? Like, do you want me to move it to a different area? I don't know. I haven't done any mining off screen. I've just been collecting or flattening the area mainly and building the house. Okay. Okay, so and my shovel broke. And it's raining. I hope you don't mind, but this rain's gonna like make me lag. So I hope you don't mind, I'm just gonna like make it weather clear. Tell me if you don't want me to do that in the comments and I'll try to stop. Okay. I was thinking of having like something like our house going up and having a pig farm there. I don't know. We want to get that pig, not what I'm talking about. Ugh. Messages went off. Sorry, like I have to turn off my messages, don't I? Okay. Let's see how many apples I have. Just to keep going. Yeah, I have 4. Okay, so I think night's coming, yeah. I'm gonna make a second spade. I think, yeah. I'm gonna make a stone one this time so it will last longer. Cobblestone. Okay. So basically I want the island completely flattened. So like so it's like easier to access. So you don't have to climb on anything. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I guess you could call this revenating. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna do some mining now. Okay. Yeah, at this very moment my other video is uploading, so probably gonna be slow for that. Okay. Where's the mine? Alright, yeah, the mine's right here. Let's get a pickaxe, a torch, spears. Okay, let's go down. Oh yeah, I had to like build an area to get out. Okay, let's go this way. Ah, I just found some more coal. Great, coal is everything that I need right now. Put that there, so I can quickly just change a spade. Guessing you guys can't see, so I'm gonna put down torch. Okay, yeah, what I'm looking for is some more iron, possibly. If Minecraft will be nice to us. Okay. Nothing so far, let's put down the torch. What? Right, what level am I at? Let's go down, down, down. Still no sign. I don't hear anything. Gonna do a few. Where am I? What level am I at? 29. Okay, so I need to go down a few more until I find some more caves. Probably going to dig a bit deeper, then I'm going to be done. Oh! And I have found a cave. I think, is that a cave or is it? I think this is a ravine. Yep. That's a ravine. Some iron there. Any other iron? Okay. Just keep going down. Ow. Any diamonds? I don't see any diamonds. Ugh. What a shame. Ooh, some gold. Next to some iron right here. Shame I can't mine it. Just get all the iron I can get though. Oof. Oh, did I miss some? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna have to wrap up the video soon. Let me just see if I can get any more iron out of this. I'm not gonna risk that iron. Yeah, I need to get back up there. Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's episode of Survival Island. This will be uploaded, I think, Monday. So, yeah. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later in the next episode. See ya.